everybody. Okay, so my name's Katie. Well, Kiba. Whatever. Just got back from ToshioCon. So great. If you were there, totally subscribe to me. There'll be a bunch of videos from there and future cosplays I do and cons. And all these crazy videos. But when I was there, I took a lot of pictures with a lot of cute kids. Some younger, some older. Really cute. But if you took my picture, thank you. It was so cool. This is my second time cosplaying as this guy too. I didn't have Akamaru with me because my friend who was going to bring him kind of left him. But, it was really cool. I got my Kakashi. And if y'all are wondering, it was at the Largo Library, see? And they had a whole bunch of stuff, including the part stuff, which is some of the video part I'm going to be uploading in a little while. Well, I just wanted to say, Elle's Cat, if you can find this, and if I find you on YouTube, subscribe to me. You are so cool and so cute. Oh my gosh. So, if you can see me, find me, whatever, please subscribe to me. I'm gonna start having a lot of more just me stuff, and then when I go to cons, which another one's coming up in April, and then I can't remember when MetroCon is, but there's a whole bunch of cons that I'm lined up to go to, and I'll be cosplaying as different things for each day. MetroCon, I'm cosplaying, and this is in the order because I'm probably going all 3 days. If I don't, I'll be going only Saturday, which will be Momiji. But if I do go all 3 days, here's the order, okay? So I'm gonna go as, for Friday, I'm gonna go as the Kiba, but I'm gonna have an Akamaru on my head, and then Saturday I'm gonna go as who I might go as, which is Momiji. And then Sunday I'll be going as Ichigo in a maze outfit. Do not make fun of me because I'm pale, okay? I have to do it. My sister wants me to. It's one of her first couple cons, so be a good older sister. But if you ever had an Izzy before, so great. Izzy. Okay, but anyways, so if you can find this, add it. And those of you guys who are on Blonde Wolf 2's website, add me, okay? I'm Yaoi Paddle Lover 9876. If you ask me, I will add you into your family, and I would love to be in your family. So I'll see you guys later, okay? Bye.